we just shifted some of the elements, although we kept things pretty much the same. So this has a little bit more interest. You've got, if we think about seating, there's a little bit this, if this were a more public space, let's say this is a lobby in a hotel or something, you know how we are, we don't want to sit next to a stranger, so it might, these two chairs might be able to accommodate different people. This would accommodate a built-in with storage, and so we've balanced this close to this, but it's not exactly. And so to me, this is a little bit more typical of what we're going to be using in the interior design world around a pretty symmetrical type balance. We still have our center, we're thinking about both sides. All right, let's go to asymmetrical. This is a little tricky for me. I'm a symmetrical kind of person. What I want to do here is to create a center table that has a big flower arrangement in it. You know how that is, like really like, whoop. And then a seating arrangement in this corner, a table, that side table here, and this is 4 individual chairs. And then also a seating arrangement here. These are sort of big club chairs with a table. We could do one in the center, but I actually have the table on. This is the thing. Asymmetrical is still a balance, a type of balance. So be very careful about that. And let's listen as we go through this semester. You'll start hearing, well, this is not balanced, but it's asymmetrical. We have to be very careful about that. It has a sense of balance. It's just not balanced with sort of this more mirroring. Okay? It's a little tricky. So we're going to keep continuing to play with that as we go along. You'll notice it more in art. And I think in the book you've got some pretty good examples too of asymmetrical. So radial's going to be pretty, we can think about that if we have a center area here. We can have our big club chairs around the table. And then you can also have we could do a seating group back here. So we're basically, the design is kind of coming from that center and radiating out from the center.